Okay, this is the third take. You can still see the edge of Hausach, and it's getting warmer by the hour. Very nice area. Some farmers being up here, still having their cows outside. And those little mountainous roads, probably in the winter, quite difficult to navigate. As you can see, still the mountain dew is in the fields, wet and cold. But the cows don't care. They're happy outside. The people are actually heating or cooking, of course, with wood, because wood is plenty around here. And it's going to be a very nice day, sunshine, up to 15 degrees Celsius. So, very nice. Unfortunately, I'm all by myself because Joanna needs to be at home. She's in quarantine because one of her colleagues tested positive for COVID-19. So she is at home for about a week and cannot go anywhere, not even go do the shopping. So I have to go all by myself. And originally we had planned to go on holiday, hiking holiday for a couple of days in the Rhine Valley. There's also a trail along the Rhine River. But as we cannot go anywhere, I'm just doing some day trips from where we live here near the Black Forest. You can see 2 happy cows and feeding on the grass, giving some nice, healthy, organic milk. Slightly uphill here. That's why I'm a little out of breath. Very nice valley. Nice colors. It's almost like Indian summer. I mean, fall. Some ducks. Probably have to feed it a little more to be ready for Christmas dinner in about 2 months' time. Today is the 25th, so October. So we have 2 more months